Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Subaru Outback on level ground and setting the parking brake. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm socket to prevent electrical shorts while working near the alternator. Locate and photograph the Serpentine belt routing diagram on the engine bay or draw the path to ensure correct reinstallation. Gather tools, 3/8-inch breaker bar, 14 mm socket or appropriate wrench for the tensioner, a new OEM or equivalent Serpentine belt, and safety gloves and glasses. Plan belt replacement around. Locate the automatic tensioner on the front of the engine and place a 14 mm socket on the tensioner bolt. Using a 3/8-inch breaker bar, rotate the tensioner clockwise to release tension and hold it back while you slip the belt off the alternator pulley first. Carefully ease the tensioner back when the belt is free. Remove the belt from the remaining pulleys and route. With the belt removed, spin each idler and accessory pulley by hand to check for smooth operation and bearing play. Replace any noisy or loose pulleys before installing the new belt. Route the new Serpentine belt following the photographed diagram, making sure the ribbed side seats into all pulley grooves and leave the tensioner pulley for last. Use the 14 mm socket and breaker bar to rotate the tensioner clockwise, slip the belt over the tensioner, and slowly release the breaker bar so the tensioner applies proper tension. Inspect belt alignment across each pulley and ensure no twisting. Reconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm socket. Start the engine, listen for squeal or chirp, and observe belt tracking for several minutes at idle and with light revs to confirm correct installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.